Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We have an exciting day today because we have a brand new product release for you guys. We have our all-new HydroShield vinyl, rubber, plastic, ceramic shine coating. So we have a ceramic coating specifically for your vinyl, rubber, and plastic components. So you can apply this on things from interior and exterior surfaces, on things like dashboards, door panels, center consoles, interior trim, as well as exterior surfaces like your trim, your tires, cladding, bumpers, engine bays, you name it. This thing works on a variety of surfaces. Now, this product is infused with ceramic SiO2 properties, which means that it's going to deliver a super durable, long-lasting layer of protection on any treated surface. So when you apply this to your surfaces, this is going to provide your surfaces with a durable layer of protection that's going to prevent against drying, fading, and discoloration from those harsh UV rays. And the great thing about it is that since it's a ceramic coating, it is going to enhance that durable hydrophobic properties that you guys know and love on practically any treated surface. And the great thing about HydroShield is that it's an extremely easy to use product, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it right now. Alright guys, so before we apply HydroShield to the surface, we want to make sure that the surface is thoroughly clean and dry. For that, I'm going to be using our Nonsense all-purpose cleaner paired with one of our boar's hair detailing brushes, and this is just going to ensure that there's no previous dressings, dirt, or grime that's stuck in the texture of the material. That way, when we apply our coat of HydroShield, it bonds and adheres directly to the surface and has the best results possible. So you can go ahead and spray your Nonsense all-purpose cleaner into your brush, onto the surface as well. And then, if it's not too bad, you can actually just use it with a microfiber towel. In this case, I want to make sure that it has the best bond possible. I'm using the brush here just to make sure that I get that deep clean and just so that I get all the dirt and grime from out the texture of the material. And then it's not that complicated, guys. You can go ahead and use this for your trim. If you're going to be cleaning and applying it to your tires, I would recommend going with like an orange degreaser, something a little bit more powerful to take on the more greasiness and the brake dust that's stuck to that surface. So I've just done this little section. I'm just going to grab a microfiber towel and wipe off the excess. Just make sure that I wipe everything off and there's no product left in any of the crevices, just to ensure that whenever I apply the product, there's nothing that's going to mix with the product and ruin the application. Alright guys, so now that it's fully clean and I wiped off the excess, one thing I would recommend is that you do give that about 30 seconds to a minute or so, just to make sure that the moisture in the surface just kind of releases and now it's fully dry. So with that being said, I'm going to grab my bottle of HydroShield and my microfiber applicator. I'm going to mask off this little section right here in half. That way we can see what a treated side with HydroShield is versus an untreated side. Alright guys, so now that the surface is clean, prepped, and masked off, and I have my bottle of HydroShield, we can begin the application process. In order to use HydroShield, you're going to want to have a microfiber applicator. So we have one of our workhorse applicators here. So what you want to do is spray about 2 light sprays onto your microfiber applicator. And then you're just going to want to start working that in onto the surface. So right away, what you'll notice as soon as you start applying it is that it really just gives it a nice, deep, dark finish. So it's going to help restore any kind of faded and oxidized plastic, vinyl, and rubber trim, just to bring it back to its nice and new, fresh look. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and grab this tape here, and I'm going to take it off so that we can get a nice hard 50-50 of what this looks like. And guys, check that out. It looks incredible. This is what your trim should look like. This has that nice, new, fresh, deep, dark look, and it's ceramic coated as well, which, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, not only does it provide it with durable protection against the elements, but it also has the incredible hydrophobic properties of ceramic that you guys know and love. So right now, what we'll also do is spray this side with water to show you guys the incredible water beading properties of HydroShield. Alright guys, so we're moving on from the rear trim and now we're going to get into some tire action. Now these tires are already clean and prepped, dried, and ready for a coat of HydroShield. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to apply HydroShield to your tires. So same process, we're going to go ahead and give it about 2 sprays. And the trick with HydroShield is you really want to work it into the surface. You're not really just kind of, giving it one pass and you're done. You really want to make sure to work it in because it is a ceramic coating, so you want to make sure that it penetrates very nicely. So all you want to do when you're applying is just make sure that you cover all areas of the tire. Now for the lower area as well, if you really have to roll your car forward in order to get that bottom piece, which I know a lot of you guys know about, you put your tire shine, looks great, you drive off, you park, you have this little patch where you don't have shine on there, you know what I'm talking about. So make sure that you coat the tires very properly. And as you guys can see, it really just brings out that nice freshness of the tire. It doesn't give it a super oily or greasy look or anything like that. It just really gives it that nice, fresh, new look. It revives the depth. It gives it a dark, sleek look. And it does that while enhancing it with the protective properties of ceramic. Now, if you do want to apply a little bit more product, you can go in, always spray a few more sprays of product and just make sure that all parts of your tire are nice and coated. And another great thing about HydroShield is that it's formulated with our no sling technology, which means that this stuff is not gonna sling. It's a fully dry to the touch finish without any kind of oily or greasy feel, which is a huge plus for me because I hate that oily feel on my tires, especially since you can apply this product on your interior. You definitely don't want that on your interior, but with HydroShield, you don't have to worry about that. All right guys, so now that we are done applying HydroShield to our tires, you guys can see it looks incredible, it looks fresh, it looks like the tires are brand new. So moving on, we're gonna be applying HydroShield to the rest of this vehicle. Now, as you guys can see, this vehicle has plastic 360 all the way around. We also have a ton of plastic, vinyl surfaces on the interior of the car, as well as the engine base. So we're gonna go ahead and coat this entire vehicle and be back with you guys to show you guys the final results. Now, HydroShield provides a fresh new look. However, if you love that shine and you want to go the extra mile in terms of shine and protection, you can top it off with an additional layer of HydroShield and/or your favorite Chemical Guys dressing. Just make sure that before you do so, you do allow that coat of HydroShield to cure for at least 2 to 3 hours. All right guys, and there you guys have it. Check it out, this car looks incredible. We've treated all the vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces with the power of ceramic with HydroShield. Now, if you guys like this product and you guys want to pick up this product for your ride, you can do so by visiting our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or you can swing by your local Detail Garage store to pick it up. My name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I will see you guys next time.